Hi everyone, hope you're having a good day today. Today I thought I'll discuss something that's a really big problem for me, was a big problem for me, still tackling it, um, which made me research a lot, try to figure out why it's happening in this way, which is weight. Well, some of you might say, obviously, khana hindane mahat wenne. But then you see people who are so thin, they eat these huge plates of rice, and you can still see they do not gain weight. But then there are some like me, පොඩ්ඩක් කෑවත් ඇති මහත් වෙනවා. So, what's that all about? There are certain body types. Each individual, the body type is different. Some people, the catabolism is more. That means the breaking down of energy is more. Some people, the anabolism, that is building up, storing is more. So I belong to that category where I keep on storing. That's how my body is coded. And there are lots of people like that who have this body type. Also, even for those who are naturally thin and who have a good metabolism, who burn up their energies, you will see after 40. I'm talking about mainly about females, but yes, even in males you will see that after 40, and also before that, after marriage, you will see there is an increase in the tendency to gain weight. Obviously after childbirth you have that too, but significantly is after 40, nearing menopause, but mainly after 40, because you notice it more. Whereas before you could actually do some exercises, reduce a little bit of whatever you eat, and with that exercise manage to lose weight. Whereas now you will find that it's very hard. The fact is has somehow just decided to be resistant, and you think you're just going through this uphill task, which is one of the reasons why you can't keep that continuous momentum. You start on whatever lifestyle change you might call it, or weight loss plan, diet plan you started, but it's always going to be short term. Obviously there are those of you who do it long term. I know quite a few of them too, but even you hit a plateau. You hit a plateau, you tend to fall off the bandwagon, but then you get back on because you all have sort of gotten into that cycle. No, okay, මේ ටික කරොත් හරි කමක් නැහැ. You fall off the bandwagon, you come back again and you do it. So as I said, the body types are different. I'm going to talk about my type of body. That is අර අපි කියන්නේ කතාවට වතුර බිව්වත් මහත් වෙනවා කියලා. So this type of body is not blaming the body, හරිද? බඩගින්න කියලා එකක් ඔළුවේ හදාගෙන කනකොටත් ඉතින් ඕක වෙනවා. But comparatively අනිත් අයත් එක්ක බලනකොට you will see that obviously අනිත් එක්කෙනා කන තරමට කෑවොත් කොහේ ඉඳීද කියලා හිතා ගන්න බෑ කියන එක. Because for me, I've always been on some sort of a diet, some sort of plan, always been, and then I fall off the bandwagon or not. But exercise is also a must. I will talk about that later, but before this, whatever we do, we have to first identify why we are going wrong. What is it? Why can't we stick to whatever the plan that we are going to stick to, that we have decided to? Why? Because of the cravings, stress, irregular meal patterns, inability to manage with work, and sometimes you might not have time to cook. See, your cooking for the whole family, and you get up in the morning, you cook a whole load, go to work, you don't have the energy to do something separate for you. So these are some things that I think might be challenging for all of you. uh, this is what I'm going to do. Why don't you comment below on why you think you're facing these issues, and then we will approach it, so that I know, you tell me these are the reasons I'm having this issue, and somebody else will have some other issue. So we get all those issues together and we discuss it. I think that's a great idea, rather than me going on and on and on about what I think from my experience and from my experience with my patients. I think it would be super if we could have something interactive with feedback, something that we can stick to. So I have, like, I created my WhatsApp group, Holding Hands, is something for me also, motivation for me to keep doing what I'm doing right now, and also to give a motivation to keep going, not get stuck in the plateau, feel like අනේ මේක හැමදාම කරන්න ඕනේ දෙයක්ද, why do I have to eat like this? So let's get into the basics of why do I have to eat like this, what do I want to eat, what are my cravings, what are my craving triggers. We'll discuss all that if you leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm not going to tell you to eat healthy, but think about it. Chai.